Well, that was the first two wishes of the night. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. It's Friday night, it's Halloween night, it's about 8:15 and we're going to hit the bright lights of Blackpool and see what sights and sounds we can see on Halloween. Where should we go first?
Let's carry on.
Table lamp outside the library looks very decorative, doesn't it? Good to see everybody out in costume tonight, isn't it? Traffic. A little bit of North Pier. I couldn't resist showing you them waves. That's if you saw them in the dark, but hopefully you heard them anyway. Yeah, we're just going to have a wander down the end here and have a peep in the balloon bar. I'll show you the balloon bar down the end. And look how wonderful this tower looks tonight. Great for this. Well, I am surprised. I thought this area would be open tonight. It's not that cold tonight. It's not raining and the wind's dropped down. But they haven't got this open tonight. I can show you the outside bit here anyway of the balloon bar. Very surprised it's shut. Well, the other bit's open, the inside bit, but that only had about 10 people inside it, so it wasn't worth going in. So, yes. We've got to walk all the way back up here to get back on track to what we're doing. But I just thought that would be open tonight. Right, I shall catch you at the other end. Right, let's go and capture some of the family fun on the comedy carpet, have a little wander down towards Central Pier, then we'll head back into the town and have a little wander around the pubs and the bars, shall we? Yeah, a few families dancing around, moving about. I don't think it's as cold as when I came out this afternoon. I don't know, I just feel it's warmer. and it was raining as well.
Big shout out to Elliot in the tower building. Big shout out to Elliot. Right, girls and boys, this is
Don't know if you can see the reflections there on the water. I'm getting a picture. I said, yeah, so this is the Friday night, and Saturday night is the last night of this Lightpool Festival. Last evening, tomorrow night. Just been doing some photographs for a lovely family in front of the tower. Didn't catch any names, but I hope you enjoy your evening. Despite it being Halloween, tomorrow night will be the main night in Blackpool, which I'm sure you're all aware anyway. I just wanted to come out and see how many witches we could come across in Blackpool on Halloween evening. I've seen a few witches, for sure I have. Yeah, it's not too crowded, so it's quite nice walking around like this tonight. It will be different tomorrow, like I just said. Yeah, these two look a bit scary, don't they?
What did you say you want?
I've got no change, man. Yeah, well, you know, on these night videos, I come out to show you a bit of everything.
Yeah.
You know, the family side of it, the youngsters partying, the fancy dress, everything. But I'm so glad that it stayed dry. So, yeah, we'll be out tomorrow night, weather pending. I probably won't do too much more now, otherwise my knees will completely be gone. Station pub there. Looks like orange is the new black. Is that, have I got that the right way around? I just missed some Teletubbies walking by. Well, there's plenty in fancy dress tonight, isn't there? Good to see. And we've caught the Teletubbies.
We're just fucking these off completely.
Well, have you seen any witches tonight? Let me know in the comments. And I hope you enjoyed that as much as it's very lively round here. I've been walking around here for a few hours now, and the knees are done in, and I've got to come out again tomorrow, which will be even busier. Of course, it won't be Halloween, but hopefully, if the weather stays good, we should get some good party goers out and about. So, yeah, if you enjoyed this and you're still here at the end, don't forget to hit the like button. And thank you to everybody once again for watching, liking, sharing and commenting, and I'll catch up again hopefully Saturday evening.